Hello everybody, and sorry to spam your YouTube subscription timeline with my problems, but I'm after some advice about my website. So currently it looks like this, and you go to the tutorial page and you can click on different tutorials. Let's go to texture painting, and the videos are laid out like this at the moment. I haven't put all my videos in there, but it's feeling kind of cluttered. So if I go to the intermediate, it feels a bit cluttered, and I feel like I'm not getting the information across about what these videos are about. And because they're embedded links, you can hardly see the graphic behind them, and the text isn't really coming up fully. I've got slight descriptions here, but I'm not sure if they're helpful. Let's go to sculpting, for example. And I probably actually just need to do more videos with basic steps and more sort of courses, going hopefully from sort of beginner to advanced. But I really would like some feedback in terms of whether this would be better as just text, more descriptions, maybe just pictures with links. I'm also doing some affiliate marketing here, whether that bothers people. I'd like to get some income from the site, hopefully, so that I can keep these tutorials for free. Maybe you can give me some advice on products that you'd like to see or reviews that you'd like to see. I noticed that Control Paint, they're quite good, and they're probably the closest to what I do. They just do text, and maybe this sort of style is a bit quicker to get to information. They of course have a lot more videos than I do, but I'm hoping to get there one day. So any advice would be greatly received. If you could comment in the description, that'd be really helpful. Thanks for all the feedback so far on the website. Some people have said about a Discord server, perhaps I need to look that up. So any other ideas on how I can make this community better, let me know. Thanks very much, and look forward to hearing from you.